Guess I'll just scooch in right here. Still got more. So we're gonna do a massive haul. Squeeze my tiny ass in that. Yeah. Still got more. Look at all this PR and unboxing I have to do. Look at this. Let's get into it. Where am I gonna sit? Where am I sitting? Guess I'll just scooch in right here. What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. I am Shania Shayon, and welcome to Vlogtober Day 5. I think this is Day 5. Yeah, Day 5. So we are gonna do a massive collective fall haul. So I have like a little bit of everything. I have some PR unboxings to do, as well as just some stuff that I found while I've been out shopping, some stuff that I ordered. I just have a little bit of everything. So I have a little bit of Temu, Fashion Nova, Ross, and just stuff that I've been finding. So we're going to do a massive haul. So you guys, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like this video to keep these videos coming. I am really enjoying this Vlogtober series, and I hope you guys are too. So we're going to jump right into it because I got a lot to unbox. This actually might be a two-part depending on what all I can get done today, because you know I'm editing and trying to upload all same day. So we'll see. If not, there will be a part 2, but I'll let you know. But I'll let you guys know in the end. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with some of the stuff that I actually purchased. I was out at Ross the other day while I was waiting to get an oil change, and I picked up a couple of things, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So we are gonna start out with these. I have been on a denim kick. Like, I have been on jeans, and I'm loving these baggy jeans. So I found these from Ross. Super cute. I love these. I love the detail. They have shimmer on them, like little rhinestones. And I like that they're small. So they are super cute. I was also happy to find a size 1, because, baby, it's hard finding my jean size. But they are super cute, super baggy, and really, really long. So I know that they'll look good with heels because they have so much length on them. I'm actually thinking about taking these with me to Atlanta for my birthday. So shout out to Ross. And these were $22. So super cost effective. I love them. I thought they were so cute. Then I got a micro mini skirt. So I love these. I also love the dark denim with like the orange stitching on it. I love that. I love these. And I plan on wearing this with like a flannel shirt and like some tights and some boots. Something real fall-like. But yeah, that's going to be cute. Squeeze my tiny ass in that. Yeah. Cute, cute. Okay. That's going to be cute. And I got a top. This is just a regular top. I just need to stock up on my long sleeve shirts. And I love the rib material of this. I love the color, and it was only $6. So shout out to Ross. Okay. All right. So next up we have, this actually is from Temu. This is one of their leisure dresses. You know, just like one of those dresses you could just throw on to do stuff around the house, or if you need to do some quick errands. And it's simple, just a long black, nice leisure dress. Like, boom. I got this in a size extra small, I think. I probably should have got that. Look a little big, but it's gonna get worn. So I plan on wearing this just around the house though. So I'm not really worried about it, but I just wanted to try out the material and see what it was like. But I think even the extra small is gonna be big, child. So we'll see. But shout out to Temu for that. What else? All right, y'all. So now we're going to get into the Fashion Nova portion. So a lot of this I actually bought to go with like my birthday look. So I'm not going to show you guys all of this, but I will show you the shoes, okay? Because you're not going to see the looks until October 26th when I pop out, okay? And I will be in Atlanta. Stay tuned for my next vlog, because I'm going to do like a birthday plan vlog. So you guys will be able to see everything I got planned up for my birthday. And then my son's birthday is actually Wednesday. So shout out to my little Libra baby. But yeah, so I got these from Fashion Nova. These are the Electra metallic heels. And y'all, oh, I'm so excited about these. These give me Tom Ford dupes, okay? And I wanted them real bad. Look at them. They are so freaking pretty. Love that. Love the heel. And then they have this buckle on the side. So they're like strappy, and then they strap around the ankle, and they have this really pretty buckle. Like, y'all, get into them. That is a cute Tom Ford dupe. I love them. Shout out to Fashion Nova. I think these were like 30 bucks. I think they were like $29.99, but love those. Like, so sexy. Those are gonna be so freaking cute. And I plan on wearing these with my actual birthday dress. So y'all stay tuned, because the birthday content gonna be lit. Okay? Lit. Then, ooh, I got some cute stuff in this bag, y'all. They're the Twisted Lover square toe heels. And I bought these just because I love the heel on these, y'all. Look at these. I want to do one look for my birthday that's like all red. These are the shoes. Like, get into them. They are so cute. And you see the twisted heel? Like, they are so freaking pretty. So cute. I love that color red. Like, get into it. But it's the heel for me. It's the heel for me. For sure. Shout out to Fashion Nova. These were about $30 too. So make sure you guys go shop those. Okay. What else? What else, y'all? What else can I show y'all from Fashion Nova? I also got this. This was a really cute, like, metallic bodysuit. I wanted something that I could wear with jeans. And now that I think about it, this will be really cute with those jeans that I actually got from Ross. So it's just a metallic bodysuit. Super cute. I love the material. It feels so good and soft. Yes, Fashion Nova. And this would be real cute. This would be really cute if I paired them with those. Like, that's cute. With like a metallic look. Baby, I would eat that up. I would eat that up. Okay. So shout out to Fashion Nova for that. That is real cute. So I got this to go with that red look I was telling y'all about. So I just wanted a simple red choker. And I found this one really pretty. I think this was only like $3 or $4. And it looks like that. Really pretty. I also like this. It got some weight on it. So I think that is going to be gorgeous. That is going to be so cute with that red shoe. Y'all see it? Let me show you. Like the necklace with the shoe. Get into it. That is cute. Okay? I'm a red rum they ass, okay? Period. Okay, y'all, so that's all the Fashion Nova stuff that I can show you, because y'all gotta wait for those looks. But I do have some other stuff that I want to get into. So this is from Temu. And baby, you know one thing about Temu, they're gonna send you a big bag of everything. These two are for Temu collaboration, so I actually cannot open those two because those are like dedicated vlogs that you guys will see coming up. And some of this stuff is too, so I'm going to see what's in here that I can show you guys. So I got this. I actually got this for my son as a birthday present. And this is their Smart Light sound machine. And I just got it for him in his room. I literally got it because it's a G and his name is Genesis. But it is Bluetooth, charges your phone. It has different sleep settings on here where you can play like different ocean sounds and stuff like that. You can also hook up your phone if you want to, and it has like LED lights. So super cute. I love that. I thought that was such a good gift idea for him, you know, because he's turning 20. Like, he a grown-ass man, okay? But that's little stuff in his room that he can have. It also has an alarm clock, and he needs that because he got class and he got work, okay? So let's see. Okay, I got this, guys, which I think is super cute, okay, because you know Scorpio season is coming, and I had to get me a Scorpio shirt that is so cute. So it's just a cute little shirt. I got this just to wear around during my birthday weekend, maybe with some little jeans or something like that. Just something super cute, or wear around the house. But you know, I had to show that Scorpio love. If you're a Scorpio, drop your birthday in the comments so I can give you guys a shout out. Okay, shout out to my Scorpios. And shout out to Temu for that. These, y'all. So me and my son always lose the remote, especially in the dark. And the remote is black. So I got these. So these are glow-in-the-dark remote control holders, so that we know where the remotes are. And it came in a 2-pack. I didn't know they both was going to be girly colors. I thought one was going to be blue, but I bet you he'll be able to find it. So these are actually to hold your remotes. I'm actually going to include these as well in my organization haul, because that is something that you need to stay organized, baby, because I know I definitely be looking for the remote every single night, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned too, because I have a Temu tech coming up with tech essentials that you'll need. I have a Temu organization, Temu Halloween. The Temu vlogs are about to come back to back, so y'all stay tuned for those. And make sure you guys go use my code. So I got this as well. I don't even know what this is, y'all. I'll be on there just buying stuff. Oh, this is one of those bodysuits. So it's literally like one of those bodysuits that you see all the girls wearing that are like that elastic material. So I'm going to try this one on. Y'all stay tuned, because I'm going to actually do a try on haul in the next one. And I'm going to try this on. But it do look like it's going to fit. I'll say that. It definitely look like it's going to fit. And usually these outfits get on my nerves. I don't feel like the one I ordered like had all these on here. But I think that it's like transparent. So, like, once I put it on, I won't look like a disco ball, but we'll see. So, I did get this little pantsuit just to, like, wear out to the club. I think I can make it cute. One thing about me, I can make it cute, okay? Then, I got a new phone case. It's October, so I wanted something black, okay? So, I just got this matte black phone case with the little bow on there. I will have all these things linked in the description, so make sure you guys go check it out. Also, make sure you guys use my code so y'all can get a discount. So, boom. Cute little phone case. Oh, I got one of these, too. And I seen these on one of Diera's vlogs. And it's one of these little sticky things so that if I want to like record, I can stick this to the back of my phone. And as long as it's a surface that this can adhesive to, then it will stick and I can record. So I actually want this to do like my skincare, my makeup routines, so that I don't have to have a tripod. I can literally stick my phone to one side and stick it to the mirror and be able to record perfectly, okay? So make sure, y'all, if you're a content creator, you definitely get one of these. I think this was like $3. The phone case was like $2, okay? And then I got some jewelry. Stay tuned, because I probably will have a jewelry haul too, because I did get a couple pieces of jewelry. This was so pretty to me. So it's a little cross as the gemstones going down. Like, I just thought that was so freaking pretty. So I'm going to wear that. And I got another necklace that's like this too. And I'm going to layer that out. I've really been into my jewelry for fall. And I just love that. I think that's so freaking pretty. Temu definitely has some of like the best jewelry. Like, I have not had any jewelry that disappointed me. And all mine's been lasted. Okay, so shout out to Temu. Those are a couple of things, guys. So I'm actually going to have to wrap up this vlog, y'all. I'm so sorry. But stay tuned for part 2, because I'm going to get this stuff cleaned up, edit this vlog, and then I will record the rest of these, because I have some dedicated footage coming up. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned to this crazy, crazy haul. It was a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm like 2 days behind. So I'm going to try to drop another vlog tonight where I'm just hauling the rest of this stuff. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Vlogtober, day 5, done. Okay? Okay. Y'all, this what the influencers don't show y'all. Y'all, look at this. This is how the haul went. This is the after effects of a haul, okay? People see all these hauls and think it's so luxurious. It's not. Your room is a mess after. Like, y'all, look at this. I'm going to clean this up, though. Bye, guys.